Hola!
Bom dia!
And welcome to the Cherry Saudade Project!
Bon dia, everybody. I'm just in the village of Capina. Carlos is helping a friend out. I won't be helping anyone recently. There's a whole story. Anyway, I've been doing some homework at the local cafe. I have a Portuguese exam coming up soon. Whilst he's been doing some work, but I'm going to go and find him now. Always forget how beautiful this little village is. It's so quiet and just beautiful. So I'm going to go walk down, get Carlos, and we might grab a beer on the way home because the sun is shining and the summer is just summering right now, if that makes any sense. It's such a beautiful day. It's not too hot. I'm planning to spend an afternoon in the garden sorting out, just making the garden a bit more beautiful, so like all the edges of beds and stuff are in. And I've bought loads of flowers to get in the garden, and I'm probably going to buy more, honestly. I've got more room than I thought, so I'm going to fill up everything with some beautiful flowers. No.
Charlotte and I have met up with some mates. It's my one day off a week. Nastarovia!
Bom dia, everyone who cannot see us. Or boa noite.
Boa noite.
It's Cherry Festival.
And we're going up the hill.
The hill is a killer to get in here. From our side. Oh my days. It'll be fun. At least I'll be hungry for all the food at the end.
Yes.
Slow down. It's too steep a hill.
All right, everyone, we're almost there. So this year, Charlotte cannot drink because she is driving, unfortunately.
We were going to make a whole group of us, and then half of our friends decided to go to Spain this weekend.
Yeah, we're just going to go for like an hour or two, have a bit of... Charlotte's going to have some food there for sure.
Root. I just want meat. I'm so hungry.
Yeah. And I'm going to have a cherry shot of some kind.
They did cherry caipirinhas last year.
Oh, I remember those.
And then tomorrow I'm actually going to harvest our cherries. Yeah. This is the first time you've had the festival and we're actually still harvesting cherries, because usually it's like a month earlier.
Yeah, exactly. Right, see you guys at the top.
I want to sleep after this.
We're getting old.
Oh God,
my goodness.
falling over. Just got no shoes, lads.
£2 from the shopping.
€2 bargain.
€2 from the market. You can see them, hang on, see. Oh, look at them, fine and dandy. It's Charlie Chaplin dancing. Alright lads, you can just about hear the music. Nearly there, lads.
The cobbled streets are starting, so we've got to be fast.
The culture is starting, guys. Yeah.
it is this year.
It's mental.
I'm faking it till I make it today on the old 0-0.
Alcohol-free beer, mate.
I'm still gonna dance. Don't you worry. You get me some barbecue, some fake beer.
Boom, sorted. It's still warm. Look at the sugary goodness.
Oh, that was fresh as it gets, man.
Mate. On point. That's good.
Just a little bite. I want a bite. I've never had the fresh ones. I want a sugary bit, on this bit.
Rib Charlotte. That's fine. That one goes for the friends and the subscribers we've made along the way. Subscribe if you want some more fioche. Charlotte, is it a yay or a nay? It's a yay, approved. Approved. Alright guys, it is raffle time. We're gonna get 2 raffles and see what we get.
You always have to have a raffle.
Always. You have to have a fioche, food, a drink and a raffle. It has to be done. What you get? Muito obrigado.
It says nothing.
This one. Alright, what did I get?
My big finger was in the way. 1009.
Obrigado.
I'm excited.
Right, are we gonna get a demented toy like last time? That was like...
Some earrings.
Cute. Earrings are nice. Fair enough. Muito obrigado. Now this is what you call a party animal. Yeah. He's got a lot of bark to him, right?
I really like him, to be fair.
Yeah? Is it cursed? Yeah, you're an A. Guys, let us know in the comments.
Is it cursed?
Is it cursed? Yeah, you're an A. Tavern.
Yes. Oh, Tashka. Sorry. Oh, are you following?
Hello. You right, cat? Hello.
That is a unit.
Oh, hello. You right. nice cat.
What's a cuddle?
Oh, he is a unit of a cat.
It's the biggest cat I've seen in ages.
This is like the real life version of Garfield.
Oh my god, literally.
Look at it. I don't have any food for you, buddy.
I don't think he needs food. Food isn't the problem.
Bye, cat.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, boy. Charlotte's gonna be a busy beaver, huh?
I think a few plants I hadn't got in the ground yet. I've got a bit sunburned and a bit baked up. I'm soaking them in here. I don't have much hope for them. I'm going to get them in the ground and hopefully after a big soak and getting into the ground, they will come back to life. If not, I'll give it a week and buy some more. We had them in pots, we were watering them, but I think they were just getting too much sun without being in ground. So yeah, but we've still got a few that I have bought and are fine. They were more in the shade. So I'm going to plant some flowers before it gets really, really hot. Then I'm going to take the dogs for a walk, have a quick snack, and I might go for a swim because it's going to be very hot today. It's Sunday, so it's going to be 33, 34. One website was saying 36. So yeah, I won't be able to harvest the cherries whilst it's middle of the day. I'll have to wait till this evening. I need to shower and everything, so I think if I go for a swim, come home, have a shower, should be a nice time. Whilst I'm out, I might get some drawing done, or some work done, and just sit by the water. I think when it's this time of year, you just need to sit by the water when you do your work. I've got lots of gaps. I also have some lettuce and stuff that I hadn't got in the ground yet because I just wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. I also have one yellow cherry tomato that's grown, one habanero pepper, and yeah, I'm just going to try and get bits in the ground and then I don't have to worry about it. They're just the last few things. Let's get planting. You digging holes? Are you digging holes? Good boy. Hello. made it to the river beach. It may look quiet that side, but it's absolutely rammed. It's the first weekend, like the bars are open and everything. So very, very busy. But I think I'm going to take a little dip in a minute, partly because my feet are absolutely filthy from working in the garden this morning in the heat. I'm just watching the fish at the moment, and it's still better being here than it is inside the house, not being able to do anything. So it's the good thing about summer is you have every excuse to come out and swim. Pretty damn cold. It is still early June. Right, I'm gonna do it. Oh, está frio, está frio. Do you know what? No, it's absolutely freezing. I'll tell a lie.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. It's finally cherry season. I hope you enjoyed the cherry festival. Charlotte going into an inland beach.
It's very summer vibes.
Early summer, so you can still do stuff until
things are still green.
Still green, you know. Leave a like, comments, subscribe, and tell us.
Leave a cherry emoji.
Cherry emoji
down below in the comments for.
Ooh, oh, this one's a bit unripe. Oh. 2 years later. Leave a cherry emoji on the bottom, and yeah, and someone left a comment saying that they miss our streaming compilations, which is really funny. They will be back soon. Pieces coming for the machine, hopefully today, Monday, the time of recording. If not, then it'll be back for the next video, so no problem.
And if it's not back by then it will have to be till September, I'm afraid. Sorry. It's the law. We can't stream once it's
unless I wake up at 5 a.m, but then I just don't sleep, you know?
Yeah, you don't sleep. I haven't slept today.
Muito obrigado.
Chelsea.